Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to my small haul from Hobby Lobby and Echo Park. Yeah, I spent more money. I'm supposed to be on a no spend. I should have known that wasn't going to work. So here we are, okay? So I'm going to start with Hobby Lobby. I only got a few things, okay? And I ordered them online because I don't want to go to Hobby Lobby. First of all, I got a 12 by 12 scrapbook. If you have seen, then you know that I have been, any of my shorts, I've been scrapbooking for Sammy. It's been therapeutic. It's been great. Why is my camera? Hold on. I swear this camera does not know how to be straight. Anyway, this is it was on sale. It was $13. That was the cheapest that I found. Honestly, I've said it before in videos. Like, I'm over Michael's. There was $40 for a scrapbook. Get the hell out of here. Like, scrapbooking is expensive enough, and then $40. It's already filled though. If you want to, I can give you a quick look. Look, I've already filled it. Look at my precious Sammy. I've been really enjoying scrapbooking, by the way. Really enjoying it. And then that's all I have so far. That's it. Anyway, so I got that. So now I can put this away. I've been waiting. I actually don't have my haul from Echo Park yet, but I want to put the stuff away. So I wanted to film it quick. I got some St. Patty's Day stickers for my planner. I don't have any. So these ones, I mean, I'm going to say I do like the stickability stickers. So I just got these. It's just some clover and then these ones here for in my planner. And I got 3 pieces of paper. Two 8.5 by 11 in this simple paw print, and then this paw print. So I can just put those on the floor with the rest of my, save that. Okay, and then I did get an extra 20 pack of inserts, the 12 by 12 inserts. I did get those just in case I would need them. They were on sale for $5. They're $8.99. They were on sale for $5. So I bought them just in case I need them, because I am going to continue to scrapbook. And then 2 packs of dog stickers, because I found that I am slowly running out of dog themed items to continue scrapbooking Sammy, and the boyfriend wants me to finish that album out with just Sammy. So I want to get 9 more layouts done, and then I'm considering it finished and I'm done with it. But that's what these are for, just for that. Okay, and then next we'll go on to Echo Park. So I will see you when it comes. Okay, everyone, my Echo Park stuff finally came. It took forever for this to get here. So let's dive right in. Okay. Stay. All right. So we have the normal little, whatever you want to call it, some stuff, and then the packing slip. All right. So I did get the stamp collection for the wax seal and the matching dies. Okay, so it's the wax seal kit, wax seal stamp kit, wax seal coordinating die set. And so it just has a bunch of little things to go in to make faux wax seals. So I got that. I got, let's see. The boyfriend has a lot of baseball pictures. So I do have, let me see if I can grab it. I do have the ephemera. I'm going to grab this out so I have it with the paper and everything. I got the ephemera in a mystery box from Echo Park ages ago. So I do have the ephemera. I did get the matching chipboard. So that should be enough to do, let me get this out of the way. That should be enough to do a bunch of different layouts. But let's look at the paper. I've never seen this paper. I've never seen anyone haul it. I've never seen anyone using it. And it's really nice. It's Carta Bella. I didn't know it was Carta Bella till I pulled it out and I went, ooh, it's Carta Bella. Because if you don't know, Carta Bella paper just feels different than Echo Park paper. So I showed the boyfriend this paper and he really liked it. He liked how it looks. So I like this one. This I will be using, like I said, to do some layouts for all. He's going to a game in April too. So he's a Mets fan. So he travels up to New York to go see the Mets play. He goes at least once a year. So he's going in April, and then he's going again. I don't remember when. But he's got free tickets coming because of a rain out, I believe. I don't know. I don't pay much attention. But here we go. And then the stickers. So that's that. And like I said, I do have, I'm just going to put the ephemera inside here and the chipboard right inside. So it's all together. And then I'll take care of that later. All right. Oh, you know what? I'm going to grab the stuff at the bottom of the box. I did get, I think there's 10 in each, right? Yeah, 10 sleeves. So I did get the 4x4 pockets and the 4x6 horizontal pockets 10 packs. They were having the warehouse sale, so these were like threes. Let me tell, I could tell you exactly how much they were. $3 a piece. Yeah, these were $3 a piece for 10. But then I have them. And the stamps were $5 a piece. That chipboard was $2. And the collection kit was $7.25 because I had a coupon. So I think it knocked it down to $7.25. So there we go. There's that. Okay. So I got this and I was a little pissed. And I'm going to tell you why I was pissed. So when I was looking for boy paper to scrapbook some of my son's pictures from when he was younger, I really liked this one. This one I believe is, it's Echo Park. Nope, it is Carta Bella. I thought so. I was like, wait, it felt like Carta Bella earlier. It is Carta Bella. So this one I absolutely fell in love with. It's so colorful and it just is everything like my kid had. That you know, like everything on here is something that my kid had when he was younger. So this is really good paper, right? So when I was searching, I wanted ephemera and everything to go with it. So I searched for little boy. Okay. So I searched for little boy and some stuff came up. So I just threw it in the cart and bought it. Look at the little wind-up dinosaurs. So cute. So I love this cloud paper. Look at that cloud paper. It is so cute. And then so many stickers. Okay, so I looked for little boy, right? Because that's what this is called. This is called little boy. Well, I grabbed chipboard and ephemera. And it's my little boy, you guys. I never even noticed. It does not match. It's not the same collection. So explain this to me. Echo Park, why the fuck are you naming your collection kits so close to each other? There's other things you could call this besides little boy and my little boy. I mean, it's all my fault. But I searched for a little boy and this is what came up. And this is called little boy. So whatever. Well, I did say to the boyfriend when I found out that that's what happened, that I have plenty of plain paper and plenty of other papers that this would match, that I can then use this and stretch it instead of using this with this. I can use this and then use my Cricut and whatever else that I have to like stretch everything, but it kind of pissed me off. Like I said, I know that that's my fault. It was my fault. I didn't read it right, but I still stand by the fact of it's one thing to have little girl and little boy collection kits. It's another thing to have little boy and My Little Boy. It's like having fire truck and red fire truck. Why? You could call it something else, right? I'm not wrong, right? I'm not wrong in this. Tell me down below. Am I wrong in this? I don't think I'm wrong in this. All right. Then I realized that I don't have any fall paper. The fall paper I have is an old 12 by 12 from Joann, and it's fine, but it's all very grays and browns. There's not really any color in it. So I got Sweater Weather. And this is the one that I got. I really like this one. But I needed some fall paper. Because like I said, I do have a paper pad from the Park Lane. However, it's all literally just grays and browns and beiges. There's no color to it. I really like that one. It's also very dry down here in my basement. It is like 70 out today. It's, what day is today? March 9th. Today's March 9th. And it's like 70 degrees out today. Freaking Pennsylvania weather. It's going to be like 40s in a few days. Freaking Pennsylvania. We have the weirdest weather. I like the mushrooms too. And then the stickers. Then I think I have one more. One more. I'm going to put all these back in when I'm done so you don't have to hear it. And I have one more because of what I have two more. All right, we'll go with this one since it's on top. I got another dog paper pad because if you don't know, if you haven't seen my shorts, I have been scrapbooking Sammy. I'm almost done. I wanted to fill up the scrapbook that I got and it came with 10 pages. So I'm doing 20 layouts. So I have 6 more layouts to do and I'm done with Sammy, but we did just get a new dog, Shay. She's a little Havanese. And we also have Sassy, who's our other dog. And then my son's dog, T-Rex, that was his name. We called him Rex, with Black Lab. He passed away a few years ago now, but that was my son's dog. So I have pictures of him. And then my dad's first dog that he got when I was an adult, that dog, named Shy, that I have so many pictures of her too. So I want to scrapbook all the dogs. But the Sammy ones were just for my boyfriend because he loved Sammy so much. So I had to get another dog pack of paper so I could continue scrapbooking all of the dogs. We're very much a dog-loving family. I should have got cat paper too. Next time I do an order, I will be getting cat paper because I should scrapbook also my kid's cat. My kid gets the best pictures of his cat. And he has a tuxedo cat named Gus. So, yes, I needed more dog paper. And honestly, I like this collection so much better than the original collection I bought. The original collection I bought was actually a photo play. And this one, of course, Echo Park. Look at the wiener. So cute. Such a good collection. I said, though, I should have gotten the Echo Park, what's it called? Dog Show. I think it's called Dog Show because they might have had a Havanese in there. But we're keeping Shay short. We're not letting her hair grow long. If you don't know, Havanese can grow their hair very long. Look it up, okay? Or you can cut them short. She came to us cut short, and she'll stay cut short. The other thing I got was Easter paper, because I didn't have any Easter paper either. Can you believe it? No Easter paper. So if I do want to scrapbook Easter pictures, I don't even know what I have, you guys. I don't have any pictures saved on my computer. All of my pictures are saved on a drive that I can access not just on my computer, but on my phone or tablet. So all my pictures are on there. That way, and it's right next to my bed in a box with all my other drives with all my other information on it. That way, if anything happens, I can just grab that box. If anything should happen. So I don't lose anything. I love the plaid. I like this one too. Look at that. Can you look at it close up? Look, it's got like checkerboard and stuff in it. It's really cute. So I have no idea what pictures I have. I think I probably lost some over the years of my kid. My poor kid. He's the only one, and I'm pretty sure I lost a bunch of pictures of him. I don't even know how many Easter photos I ever even had. Okay. But I didn't have Easter paper. So even if I wanted Easter cards, I didn't have any Easter paper. So there we go. That, you guys, is my little haul from Echo Park. And like I said, there's two things that I wish I would have, well, three that I wish I would have gotten. I wish I would have gotten a second of that baseball paper. It's such good paper. Like the fronts and backs of both of them are so good that I wish I would have got a second one. I said if I order again anytime soon, I'm going to grab a second one. I wish I would have grabbed a cat. Like I said, they have the cat. And then that Best in Show. It's called Best in Show. That's what it's called. I believe it's called Best in Show. I wish I would have grabbed that. So that is my haul from Echo Park. I do have a Peachy Cheap package coming. I said I was on a no-buy this year, guys, but I've like really got into scrapbooking. I know I'm not doing long form videos of them for you guys because that's not what my channel is about. But I'm so I don't even know where I was going with that. Oh my God, my head just completely blanked. All right. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing that little bit that I got from Hobby Lobby and this little order. I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and have a great rest of your day.